Searching for the best PC case in 2025? From airflow-focused designs to eye-catching RGB builds, this year's lineup is full of impressive contenders. Each case has been tested for design, performance, and value to determine which one truly leads the pack. Let's dive into the top choices and see which model deserves the crown. 1. Fractal Design North. The Fractal Design North brings a refreshing blend of mid-century modern style and high-performance engineering. Its wooden front slats paired with either mesh or tempered glass side panels make it one of the most visually appealing PC cases available. Offered in white with chrome accents or black with brass details, it can easily double as stylish living room decor while housing a powerful system. Performance is just as strong as the design. It includes two 140mm fans and, on the mesh model, a side bracket for mounting additional fans to keep temperatures under control. Noise levels can rise when airflow is maximized, though the glass option helps reduce this at a slight cost to cooling. At around $130, the North balances aesthetics, airflow, and storage options in a way few competitors can. 2. Lian Li Lancool 207. The Lian Li Lancool 207 delivers impressive value at just $80, or $85 for the white variant. Out of the box, it includes 4 pre-installed fans, 2 RGB and 2 dedicated to GPU cooling, alongside extensive mesh coverage for excellent airflow. It supports large graphics cards, multiple drives, and offers smart cable management that makes assembly straightforward. Its unique sideways-mounted power supply works well for compact builds but limits compatibility to units 160mm or smaller. The only significant drawback is the lack of support for re-connector motherboards, which may be a deciding factor for some. Still, at this price, the Lancool 207 offers one of the most feature-rich setups in its class. 3. Phanteks XT Pro Ultra. The Phanteks XT Pro Ultra proves that affordability does not have to mean compromise. Priced at just $80, it ships with 4 large 140mm RGB fans and a tempered glass panel, features that were once reserved for cases well above $100. It fully supports modern rear connector motherboards, ensuring clean builds and efficient cable management. Installation is seamless, with perfectly aligned mounting holes and room for both traditional and M.2 storage, including a 3.5-inch cage and up to 5 2.5-inch drives. Some trade-offs exist, such as missing cable grommets and only 2 front USB ports, but these are minor compared to the overall value. For builders who want RGB, airflow, and modern support at the lowest cost, the XT Pro Ultra is the best pick in its price range. 4. Corsair Obsidian Series 4000X RGB. At approximately $135, the Corsair Obsidian Series 4000X RGB sits in the premium mid-range. It combines dual tempered glass panels with 3 pre-installed RGB fans, making it a showpiece for any build. Corsair's RGB ecosystem enhances customization, ensuring the case looks polished regardless of the internal components. Its thoughtful design makes building straightforward, and the tinted glass helps mask imperfect cable management while highlighting the lighting effects. Competing options like the Lian Li Lancool 3 RGB offer more flexibility, but with noisier fans and weaker thermal performance at a higher cost. The 4000X RGB stands out as the more balanced choice for builders seeking elegance and functionality. 5. Lian Li Lancool 217. The Lian Li Lancool 217 builds on the strengths of its predecessors, the 216 and 207, while adding subtle wooden trim for a touch of sophistication. Priced at around $125, it includes 5 fans, featuring 2 massive 170mm front intakes and additional GPU cooling fans above the power supply chamber. With its mesh-heavy design, it excels at keeping high-performance graphics cards cool. Building inside the Lancool 217 is simple thanks to a fused front panel connector, excellent cable routing options, and a built-in GPU support bracket. It accommodates up to 5 SATA drives and supports re-connector motherboards, making it future-ready. The only inconvenience is the low positioning of the front ports, which may be awkward if the case is placed on the floor. Nonetheless, for airflow, build quality, and overall value, the Lancool 217 is a top-tier choice.